Built in 1802, Chongzhou Catholic Church stands in a Chengdu historic district. The structure combines stainless steel with woven bamboo into Gothic-style vaults. The lighting design maximizes the space's historical spirit and cultural value by employing traditional and modern techniques, emphasizing sustainability with concealed, energy-efficient lighting capable of intelligent scene adjustments. Green design and adherence to Venice Charter principles set a leading example for preserving and revitalizing the district's historic buildings. Judges commented that the original and playful use of light to create a seemingly solid vaulted ceiling, or to show the expanse of the roof structure above, is particularly noteworthy.